made you come to this?
Well, one day, because we always used to have arguments about polygamy. And I was constantly telling him that I did not like the women that we was with. So the last time we had a conversation or whatever, he was in jail or whatever. So I told him what they had did while he was in jail. And he was like, well, what you want to do? You want to keep him as our wives? And I was like, because I'm in this mindset. You see what I'm saying? Like, I'm thinking about this as a way of life. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, I'm going to give him another chance to see if I like him or whatever. See if things going to be different since you went to jail, since we started bonding and stuff. So get back around each other. I don't like it. Like I told him, like I don't like it. So I have another conversation with him. Now he will always tell me that I never maturely sat down to talk to him about what I liked and what I didn't like. And I could like verbatimly remember times where we was by ourselves and I told him what I liked and what I didn't like. I wasn't screaming, I wasn't fussing, I wasn't throwing hands, I wasn't doing none of that. But he would always like to dismiss that to make me look immature and childish as if I never, approached him like that. So now, every time I tell him what I like and what I don't like, he throw it off and try to spin it as an argument. So the last argument we had was because just that happened. Like, I went to him, I'm like, I need to talk to you. He like, all right, what you want to talk about? So I start talking about it with him or whatever. He get an attitude, so he start arguing.
Hold on, y'all. Can y'all hear now?
But I don't got nowhere else to stay until my flight. It was Wednesday or some shit like 3 or 4 days or a week before the time. So he was like, all right, he was trying to make it seem like, all right, you can stay here, this, and that, whatever. So then eventually he just started running his mouth. And I'm Creole. Like, that shit gets me going. Like, I don't talk. Especially if this with women. Like, I can't go back and forth. Like, I really couldn't.
Yeah.
Because it really gets me aggravated. Because I'm like, okay, if we are going to talk, we have to really be talking. But if you're going to talk to me to try to provoke me, then I'm going to punch you in your face. Period. Like, other than that, like, don't try to have a conversation. So he just kept running his mouth. I wish I could have heard. See, he recorded me pushing him in his face, but he did not record what he was telling me, girl. He was telling me, I'm going to be nothing but a hoe. I'm going to come back to New Orleans. I'm going to fuck all these niggas. I'm only doing this so I can fuck. I'm only going live so I can fuck. Just basically calling me a hoe. Saying that if he was in Babylon, he wouldn't fuck with me because I'm a little girl or this, and that. A whole bunch of shit. He was saying I'm immature.
But nigga, you 40.
And I told him, I said, well, why you fucking with a young girl? Like, why you fucking with
that right hook was wicked.
I said, why you fucking with me then? Like, why you fucking with a little girl? So that's when he recorded that little scene or whatever. If I would have never had Eliana in my hands, and I'm glad I did, because I would have kept going, and it would have been really bad. Like, he really would have been up in there ruined, and he really would have hurt me. He really could have hurt me, because I was really going wild out on this nigga if Eliana wasn't in my hands. So eventually, I made it out, went back to the house, girl. I went to sleep and everything, but then I went back or whatever, because we started talking. He came the next morning, he started talking, and then I went back. And then over time, I just didn't like it. Like, I couldn't get with the groove. Like, it was just more painful and more sad and more like depressing. Like, every day that went by. And it got to the point where I didn't even want to get out the bed. Like, I didn't even want to do nothing. Like, I didn't want to make no video. And if you notice, I stopped making videos. I stopped really posting much. I stopped taking pictures because I just was like, I was done. So as time went on, I just kept getting drained. And then one day,
He said, trying them more than either. He said, trying them more than either.
One day, I just got up. And I was like, I was not feeling it because he was on the phone with this lady. He was on the phone with this lady. Now, he's the type of person, he'll make somebody your wife without even asking you. That's the type of nigga he is. Like, bitch, I'm your wife. Like, I'm in this relationship. How the fuck you gonna try to have another woman come into our relationship? Like, you got me all the way fucked up and think I'm not supposed to be mad about that. I don't know this bitch. Nigga want to have sex with her as soon as she comes. Like, fuck wrong with you?
And he telling people he waits and gets to know them.
No, bro, we done fucked everybody in CarbonNation.
Have you Have you spoken with old Max since you've been back?
Yes, I've spoken with Max. Yes, I have. I've spoken with a lot of people you might know about. But look, that's besides the point. But listen, so
She rolling today.
so then I just that's it, that day or whatever. After all that shit transpired, when you get on the phone with that girl and all that, I was like, fuck you, fuck all these women. I don't give a fuck about none of that. I said, I'm leaving. Because first of all, I'm not gonna raise my child in that environment. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck what you offering or what it is. Like, I don't care. I'm not. You can give me the moon, stars, the sun, the sky, and that bitch. I don't want you. If you ain't offering me nothing, that's from you.
You said he was passing all the women around except me. Okay.
And I told him, I said, what's the difference between passing me around and passing them around? What's the difference? I said, let me go be with somebody. I did. I said, let me go be with somebody else if that's the case. Because you got all these women in here being passed around, and this shit is not cool.
Is he fucking the men too?
Oh my God.
I ain't never see that, but I ain't never see that.
We're gonna save the questions for another day.
Yeah, that's crazy. I just don't like how, you gonna get online and make this video about me and all this extra shit. Like, I'm not even doing nothing. Like, you know what I'm
You
saying?
haven't
Like,
said nothing about them.
that's crazy. Like, I'm not even. The next time I talk about nature boy, I'm gonna be on somebody's TV show. Watch. I'm telling you.
You're not gonna be the only one though, because everybody that done left gonna have a point in that. And for the person that said he ain't gonna realize.
Because those are motherfuckers that you got to face first. You got to let them know, look, I'm about to join CarbonNation. You about to what? He got you brainwashed? Don't worry about it. Da-da-da-da. And you see Velvet, she gonna go into history and have the worst kind of hell. Because she betrayed the Christ. She gonna have it the worst. You understand what I'm saying? Because what she did by going back to Babylon has made it harder. And it's like the gates are closing for people to even come into the kingdom of God. And she played that role. Now when her life shit come back up, she gonna be fucked up. When she find out in the end that she was actually walking with her higher self. But she knows it. She will have the worst hell. The worst hell there is. And she will not be remembered for nothing. Wither away in the wind. This is legacy. The next Christ that you will hear about written in some book in the future will name be Eligio. Will not be Jesus. Anyone who loves their father or more than me is not worthy of me. Anyone who loves their son or daughter more than me is not worthy of me. This is why I tell you I don't got give a damn about a Velvet or a goddamn Eliana or a child. I've sacrificed 4 children for the kingdom of God.
This is why I tell you I don't got give a damn about a Velvet or a goddamn Eliana or a child. I've sacrificed 4 children for the kingdom of God.
Huh? 4. And the devil said, you abandon your kids. You don't know, I don't abandon them, give them to me. 4 rights. Not visitation, give them to me. 4 rights. Listen, whoever does not take up their unk and follow me and do as I do and do as Chief tells you to is not worthy of me. All y'all niggas hating on me, you will not be remembered. You are a stepping stool. This is legacy and you will not be remembered. Huh? Tell me, who were Jesus' haters at the time he was alive? Do you know them? Did it even mention their names? Who were Jesus' critics? The Pharisees? Nah, nigga, you won't be written in the history. You a hater, you will not be written in history. It's legacy. Legacy. Huh? Legacy. They deserted Jesus. There was disciples that came and left. They deserted Jesus. Look at John 6. It'll literally tell you right there. Niggas came, niggas deserted Jesus. Hella disciples turned against this nigga and deserted him. Probably went back to town talking shit about him. Nana went back to what? She went back to what? Babylon, nigga. She had the opportunity to be a legend. She went back to be what? Regularly. She accepted regularly. Now she'll be Velvet Marquez and no one will ever know her. She will fade into darkness. Like nothing. She will fade into nothing. She could have been Mary of Magdalene. She could have been Jesus' wife. Now she'll be Velvet Marquez. This is legacy, homie. I'm before my time. You don't understand me right now. You can't accept me right now. That's written in history. You'll never understand me right now. Huh?
That baby.
I will leave Eliana and that baby at any time. If let me tell you something. If she or that baby hinders me toward the kingdom of God, to being in tune with life, I will let her go and that baby.